All right, next up, we're going to switch on over to 1213. Totally certified. Hoops. Mac, good luck, buddy. Let's see what we got. All right, so right on top, again, we got the Kobe Bryant Anthology Pack. All based on those. All right, start things off. The Miles Plumlee rookie roll call signatures, so that's numbered to 199. And a jersey of Randy Foye is unnumbered. The Gerald Henderson to 499. Mo Harkless autograph. That is numbered to 49. And John Wall to 499. Chris Middleton, 299. Rookie roll call signatures of Nikola Vucevic. And Jimmy Butler, number 2, $4.99. Mo Williams, $2.99. Jersey of Kemba Walker. And Damari Carroll, number to $4.99. Darrell Arthur, $2.99. Blue parallel. Then we have a patch of Anthony Randolph, numbered to 49. Elton Brand of $4.99. And last pack, David Lee, numbered to $2.99. The Dwight Howard jersey. And finish up with Zebo, number to $4.99. All right, that'll do it for the Totally Certified, brother. Appreciate it, man. If I can get you anything else, just let me know.